Hey guys, it's Mr. T here. I'm just calling or recording a video to send to you to tell you that I'm home, I'm doing well, and I appreciate all of the cards and support and everything that you guys have been doing for me, and thank your parents, and it's been great, and my family and I are very, very appreciative. I hope that you're finding things to do during these crazy times with this COVID-19 coronavirus. Don't drive your parents too crazy. Get outside, exercise, enjoy the weather that we have, do some yard work, maybe possibly build something, create something, somehow help your family and learn things outside of the classroom. I do plan on posting stuff here online. I think we're still leaving off with the history of Canada. I have some primary resource stuff that we're going to be looking at. So just keep your eyes on the prize here. We'll be hopefully daily be starting to talk with Samuel de Champlain. We're going to do some comparisons to Mexico and look at the European colonialism versus in Mexico versus Canada. So just keep an eye posted on there, and I'll be putting stuff up there daily. So try to find things to do. Try to stay positive, and I'll do the same here, hoping that we'll all be back in school plugging away sooner than later. All right, so stay informed, stay safe out there, self quarantine, and you know, limit your TikToking to not too many minutes a day. Adios.